To unlock credit using Credit Karma, start by understanding what Credit Karma is. A free online platform that provides users with free access to their credit scores and reports. The first step is to create an account on Credit Karma, which can be done by visiting their website and providing some basic personal information. Once you have created an account, you will be able to view your credit report and score. Your credit report is a detailed record of your credit history, including any loans, credit cards, or other credit accounts you have. Your credit score, on the other hand, is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. To unlock credit, you need to understand the factors that affect your credit score, which include payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit inquiries. By monitoring these factors and making adjustments as needed, you can improve your credit score over time. One of the key features of Credit Karma is its credit monitoring service, which alerts you to any changes in your credit report. This can help you detect and prevent identity theft, as well as stay on top of your credit history. Credit Karma also provides personalized recommendations for improving your credit score, based on your individual credit profile. To get the most out of Credit Karma, it is essential to check your credit report regularly and dispute any errors you find. You should also make on-time payments and keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. Additionally, avoid applying for too many credit accounts in a short period, as this can negatively impact your credit score. By following these steps and using Credit Karma to monitor and manage your credit, you can unlock credit and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always prioritize responsible credit behavior and seek help if you need it. With Credit Karma, you can take control of your credit and start building a stronger financial future.